Okay guys, so here's gonna be the first video on the game. In this time you can personalize it. Hopefully you're ready for making these really hard games and you must be really good at playing hard games. So hopefully you're ready. So create a new project and I'm gonna name that tutorial platformer, and make that a 3D project asset package and just do characters. That's actually all we're gonna need out of that time. If you want to add skyboxes, you can use assets, but we're if I'm gonna have a video on that later. Or I'm gonna have a video on setting up this. Actually, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you setting up the scene. So I'm gonna create the project, and I'm gonna pause the video while I wait. Okay? So yeah. Okay. So now it's loaded. We can start off by making the scene. So we want to create we want to create a plane, and then this is going to be called ground. Now inside here we're going to create an empty game object called box. This just is going to hold, like, we're going to drag ground into box. Now we're going to want to have a 5 to 5 and 5 and 1, just like this. So this is going to be a very big thing. Now we want to do standard assets, characters, and first person character and prefabs, and then just drag that right in there and set it to the 0, 0, 0, and now when we now we want walls, so we're going to create a cube. It's going to be called wall. No, okay. So actually we're going to keep that out. So the wall goes inside of here. It's going to be, I'm going to just set it to 0.5 right now with position, and you can give it a texture if you want. We can do it now. Maybe let's do it. I'm gonna do it now. So to me, materials, I just you can keep them organized. I'm just gonna do purple. I just like to have my materials not organized. I don't know, but when you have bigger games, like humongous games, you're gonna want to have things organized. But I usually have I usually have other things organized besides the materials. It's just the way I am. So just drag this to the wall, and the wall should become purple. Now you want to set it to resize mode and just resize it till it's tall, and then you want to resize it so that it's about this big, and to do 15 on the height and 35 so set the Y to 15 and the Z to 35. And now we just want to set it to drag mode, and we want to set the position of the, well, I want to kind of grow this, make it up to there. So actually I don't want tall walls. I just want that. So now we need to get it to go over I'm gonna put this wall here, this wall over here. So we're gonna do you want to set the position to -11, and then we want to clone that, do Command D, and then for this we want to turn it to the direction, let's see, let's just, we want to turn in this direction, so that'd be 90, and then it's gonna become like that, and I just set its position to let's see, I like it there, that's good. So set the position to 3.98. Okay, 3.98. And now we want to duplicate that again, and this time just delete that and set that to 0, and then we want to set its position to 11. And then actually we want to make it even to this, so let's see. So, I'm gonna have this, and okay, so that looks good. So we're gonna set the position. So we're gonna make that 20, and then now we just need to duplicate that wall. So Command D, and then let's try -398. -3.98. Wait, that's the wrong way. We want to set it to let's see, that looks pretty good. So this is a good spot. So that's gonna be 4 and -14.7. Oh yeah, and also for this, it's gonna be 16.26 for that. Now we're gonna. So now that we kind of have the box, I'm gonna make the ground green. So create a material, and it's gonna be green, and make it green. So that shouldn't be hard, and if it is hard, then you should learn the color green by going to green.com. Just joking. So you should know how to do that. So now we have that set up. We're gonna run it by hitting the play button, and okay, and yeah. So now we want to have the lighting, because we're gonna have this directional light. Basically we're gonna just Command D, and then set its rotation to 30, and then actually we're gonna do Command Z. So now we just need to, now we have the character set up, I think it's about time that we get into the game making. So the first level, well, we kind of want to first create the blocks that we're going to be needing. So we're going to cubes. So we're going to create a folder called cubes. And we're gonna open it and just we're gonna create a cube here and just drag that in here and delete the cube here, and now we can just go ahead and drag it in, and then we can kind of build off it. So, and then we can drag in another cube, I guess, and then build off, you know. So, I have about 5 more minutes because I don't have the pro version for Screencast-O-Matic. So, we need to get the game, we need to get down to, well, we have the scene design now. So, actually, we're gonna end the video. Well, wait, before we end the video, we need to drag the box into here. So now when we create a new level, or level, we need to create a new scene. So we just need to drag in this prefab, and then you have the box, you have the court. So end the video here, and see you next video. Bye.